Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. I want to ask you a simple request, which is to subscribe to the channel and support me with the like button. I am making great efforts to create these educational videos for you. Thank you in advance, and let us begin the explanation.
In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to download the software, and we're going to be going over some of the features you can expect to see within the software. So let's go ahead and get started here. All right, so let's see. All right, as you can see, this is going to be the website here where you are going to be able to download this software. It is CapCut.com, and you can see that here up on the top. You can see that we have templates that you can use. There's tools. There's you can start creating. But the most important thing here is by going to the downloads, and you can see that there's two versions here. There's one for Windows and there's one for mobile. Right. So for this course, we're going to be dealing with the one for Windows. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see that this is essentially a flexible editing. You have magical AI tools, you have team collaboration, you have stock assets, and there's just a lot of things that you can use here. So if you scroll down here, you can see that this is also available on the web. So you don't have to download the app, but I prefer downloading the app because I have it on my computer. So if you just want to use the online version, you can follow this course as well, but I recommend just downloading the Windows version. It's very simple to download. It is not a big file. If you just head on download for Windows, you can see that it downloads pretty fast here, and you should be able to just open it here. So let's open this over here. Should be really easy to download. You just agree and go ahead and hit install, and it's going to go ahead and install the software. So I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it again. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. Now, to kind of show you some of the things that you're going to find here, if you've used the app, you can see that that a lot of people use this to edit TikTok videos. So there's going to be templates here that you can use if you want to create ads that are built into this. Now, there's also some smart tools that are built into this, such as the speech to text, which we're going to cover. You also have text to speech. You also have background removal, I think, which is what a lot of people use. And you're also able to resize your video, which is essentially changing the aspect ratio. You can add colors, images, you can add blur effects, and just to the background once you remove it, right? And you also have auto reframe, which I think is really awesome. It uses motion tracking to track your frame here. Okay. So you also have a team space where you're going to be able to invite people and collaborate if you're working on a project that requires a lot more people. Okay. Now there's also some commercial resources here that you can use, such as music, stickers, text, effects, filters, a lot of things that you can use here. Okay. So now this was just a general overview of this software. So once you have it downloaded, it's going to go ahead and look like this as soon as you open it, right? It's going to ask you to sign in or create an account if you do not have one. So I just went ahead and logged in with my Google here, so you can see that this is what it looks like. So we have not created a new project. You can see that we have the buttons here to create a new project. We have our project section here. We have some spaces here. We have your username here, and then you can start here. Okay, and you also have some I don't know if these are ads or something like that on here. Maybe just some promotions and things like that. Okay, now this is how you're going to be able to get started with this. Okay, so this was the introduction. I'll see you guys on the next lesson, where we're actually going to be able to explore what's going to be within this interface and some of the things you are going to be able to do with this. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next lesson.